In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reserve IKEA products online. So if you're keen to ensure that perfect piece of Swedish designed furniture is waiting for you, stay tuned as we navigate the online process. First, it's important to clarify that as of now, despite some international expectations, IKEA Philippines does not offer an official reserve and collect feature. This is the case with other countries as well, so always check your local store's website for the most accurate information. The absence of a formal reservation system might seem inconvenient, but don't worry, there's still a way to ensure you get what you need with minimal hassle. Instead of reserving, here's what you can do. The first step is to check the availability of your desired products before making any plans. Head over to the IKEA website and use the search bar prominently displayed at the top. This is your gateway to exploring their extensive product line. Enter the name or category of the product you're interested in. Once you have searched for your item, it's crucial to note its status. IKEA provides clear indicators letting you know if an item is in stock or out of stock. Keeping an eye on this status helps you decide whether it's worth a trip to the store or if you might need to wait. Now, for those of you close to a participating IKEA location, the click and collect option can be a fantastic alternative. It's not the same as reserving, but it offers a way to secure items without wandering the aisles. If click and collect is available for your chosen item, you'll find this option during the checkout process. There, you'll notice two important delivery methods. First is the classic home delivery, where IKEA will bring your purchase right to your doorstep. Convenient for those larger items or if you prefer shopping from home. But for a more budget-friendly and immediate option, consider the click and collect service. You have the flexibility to pick up your order at IKEA Pasai or at one of the designated partner points. This option is ideal if you prefer picking up your items at a time that suits you. Remember, while the absence of a reservation system might seem limiting, these methods allow you to manage your IKEA shopping experience effectively. Make use of the search function to keep abreast of stock levels, and if eligible, make full use of the click and collect option to save yourself both time and effort. That wraps up today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and that they make your IKEA shopping experience smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!